part 8 of chapter 3. Jalal remained 7 years, or 4 years, at Damascus, and there he first saw his great friend, Shamsuddin of Tabriz, clothed in his noted black felt and peculiar cap. Shams addressed him, but he turned away and mixed in the crowd. Soon afterwards, he returned to Konya by the way of Caesarea. At this latter place, under the guiding supervision of his spiritual teacher, the Sayyid Burhanuddin, Jalal fasted 3 consecutive periods of 40 days each, with only a pot of water and 2 or 3 loaves of barley bread. He showed no signs of suffering. Burhan now pronounced him perfect in all science, patient and occult, human and spiritual. And chapter 2, number 3 has a similar statement, I guess. Our real side isn't even the psychological. It's the spiritual side. But, you know, fully engaging all of them is what religion actually is supposed to do.